What's up guys, this video is going to be the Helios Grand at Universal Studios Orlando full tour. So the Helios Grand in Universal Orlando is actually located right next to the newest theme park in Universal Orlando, Epic Universe. So this resort is in the upper deluxe category of Universal Orlando resorts. However, it's located away from the main City Walk area and the old school Universal theme parks, Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. This resort has a lot of good amenities. It's pretty cool, it's new, so we're gonna go check it out. One of the coolest parts about this resort is that it's located right next to Epic Universe and you have your special entrance through this hotel. This hotel is a newer hotel. It was built in April 2025 is when it opened. So as you can see here to the right, as you're coming in, you have your resort shuttles. So this is the shuttle resort spots. I was told shuttles come every 20-25 minutes or so. So the shuttles here are going to bring you to both City Walk, where you can access the two other theme parks, or Volcano Bay. Alright, so here's your check-in parking here. They have your bell services if you need luggage assistance. You also have the option for self-park over here in this garage, or you can do valet. Self-park is $36 per night and valet is $45 per night. So as you enter, to your right is going to be your front desk and your check-in area, and then over here to the left is going to be your concierge. You got your Universal agent. You buy tickets here. There's an Avis rental car and luggage service. Alright, so heading over here to the left, you get the Flora Taverna, which is a restaurant, full service restaurant, and it's also got a bar. Directly across you have the Aurora Market, which is a grab and go market. You also have your Universal Studios store, access to the pool, and your fitness center. So behind me here is actually Epic Universe, and that's one of the coolest features about staying at this hotel is literally you can overlook the theme park, like you're in the theme park. Now, first reactions to the lobby, it's very nice obviously, but it's very small considering this is the Helios Grand and it's in a higher tier resort. The lobby does feel really cramped. So here's the personal Helios Grand entryway to Epic Universe. So you have access to early admission by an hour, so you can get in 8 a.m. or an hour earlier than the park normally opens through this entrance. You have to show your resort key though. In addition, you're going to go through security here, so you don't have to go through security out there. Over here you got your business center. No, it's just a computer and a printer in there, and then you got your game room over here. Alright, and this is how you're going to access the pool and lagoon bar area. Behind me is the pool area at the Helios. So right here you get your services, you can get your towels, you can get fresh water. You have a couple cabanas down here. You have food service. You have the Lotus Lagoon bar, which is right down here as well. Back this way by the Lotus Lagoon, you got the fire pit area overlooking the pool. Nice little pool area. There's lifeguards on duty, as you can see, and it's only like 4 feet. They also have complimentary life jackets. There's also ping pong back here, and there's another one up here. So obviously you can rent cabanas. You got restrooms over here, some more cabanas, lots of seating.
With any of that. Don't touch it.
Bar Helios is actually reservations, so you want to do that downstairs at the front desk, and you can pick a slot, come up here and get a drink, and they have like tapas, appetizers. It's Icon Park, pool area.
Member of the Vicious Six. Question time. So what's the tech like? This is the first attraction that you have an account. You're going to want to make one. On the official Universal Orlando Resort.
So overall, my thoughts, it's a cool hotel. The fact that it's located right next to Epic Universe is a big plus. However, it's pretty crammed, it's pretty tight. The lobby is very tight, as well as the game room, and everything just seems a little tight. I'm not sure why they didn't build a more spacious resort like the Sapphire or something like that. But hopefully you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.